Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Visible, right?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, let's begin the session today. Students who have joined for the first time, I will just tell do's and don'ts actually to complete the course. See, either you have joined a new course or either you have joined any internship over here. Okay, see, this is a mandate for everybody, whoever is present in this class. Okay, so mandatory for you to open your demat accounts. Okay, with any of the stockbroking company you open. If you are not aware, then please wait. We will teach you some topics and then you will come to know how you have to open your accounts over here. Activate your equity MCX account, equity account, MCX account, derivatives account also you try to activate. Future and options account, okay, future and options account, try to activate. MCS account also try to activate with your stockbroker. Okay, gold, silver, in which all products you can see. Okay, and it is, see why you should open your account, because as a part of the course we will give you the internal assignments, okay, which is mandatory for you to complete. Assignments are mandatory for you to complete to gain the process level training. Okay, this we will give, which you should do from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday you will complete all your questions. See, for the RA course, actually, students who have joined for the RA course, they will also complete the mock test which we will give you. Okay. So for the IB course, FA course, mock test we will not give, only the questions that we are giving. Okay, hi Suma. Harish. Yeah, hi Harish. Hi Suma. Harish, please come on time.
Yeah, okay, Gautam.
You also please join on time. Okay, internal assignments we will complete. So whenever any associate will join any course over here, we will try to create a Google Drive link for them. Okay, those it is having three folders. One is the notes folder. Notes we will save as and when you will mature in the session. We will save more notes for you. Videos actually will be saved within 48 hours. Okay, so see, videos we will save for the students who have joined a new course over here. Students who have joined revision sessions, we will not save any videos. Okay, so I will just mention over here. Please don't ping me and ask why videos are not saved. If you are coming for any revision sessions, we will not save any videos for you. Okay, because you have already got the videos. So within 48 hours, we will share the videos with you, which you should download in your shared drive folder. Okay, download in your shared drive folder. So notes folder you will get over there. Then you will get videos folder, and you will also see the internal assignments folder actually. Okay, which in which you have to complete your question. So this is in Google Drive cloud actually, which you will save this file. Do not need to download. Save from, just connect from your internet Wi-Fi and then try to complete the questions. Over here I will just give you one demo also how you have to complete your question. So suppose you are from the batch number 188 or 189, any of the batch. Okay, so just go into your folder. Three folders you will find over here: notes, videos, internal assignments folder actually. And suppose your name is Pragya. Okay, so Pragya folder will open. Okay, so you have to be very, very cautious whenever you are opening a folder. If you will try to open any other associate folder, your name will get punched over here. HR will come to know. So we expect that you do not mark any other answers, any other associate answer. Complete from the classes that you are attending and how you will understand the session. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you have to approach to your tag faculty. It means me. You have to approach. We'll try to help you. Okay, so once you will open, you will find certain questions that we are giving batch. So what we expect from you, that whenever you are joining any sessions, 3 hours of sessions over here, 2 to 3 hours session, at least you complete batch one questions. Okay, so till batch four questions we are giving. See, mock test which you are seeing over here, it is only and only for the research analyst students. Don't get confused over here. Okay, only research analyst students who have joined the research analyst course, we will give them the mock test. Investment banking students, fund accounting students, students who have joined for the internship over here, we will not give you any mock test. Okay, is that making sense? Please don't ask why I am not having any mock test. So if you have joined any IB course, FA course, or any internship over here, we will not give you any mock test. Only research analyst student, we will give them the mock test. Okay, so for the RA student, we are giving mock test as per their NISM series. Hmm? Because it is a mandatory for them to complete that series. Huh? So for you, there is a mock test. Mock test will start after some point of time, not now. Okay, so first you complete the question and then you start your mock test in between. Question we will give you. Okay, for the IB and FA course, we are giving 70 plus questions. For the RA course, actually, we are giving them more assignments and work. Okay, because some exam that they have to clear, external exam. So for that, we want them to prepare well, very well. For IB course, FA course, we are giving them assignments. Along with that, we will give them the project-based internship over here. Okay. For the RA course, we will give them the mock test and questions. We will give them series of questions they will attend over here. So how you have to complete category of the questions you will find over here, questions which we are asking over here. Okay, so suppose you are doing this question number 3 from batch 1. So just create a new folder, batch 1 folder, question number 3, copy over here, paste over here, question number 3, give your answers below. Don't appear for the mock test now until I will inform you. When the time will come, then you have to start your mock test, not now. Right now, you only have to, attend classes, complete your questions which you are giving your assignments over here. Okay. Now, how you will complete? Give your answers over here. Tag your sheet over here. Insert a link. Sheets and name ranges. Batch one. Link over here. I will review over here like this. Okay. Like that, you will tag all your answers over here. Any doubts? Do not download this file and complete. Complete in the cloud only. Notes you can download, videos you can download. Third step actually, enroll for the NESM series. For the IB course, FA course, you enroll for the NISM series. It is a good step if you are taking, okay, enrolling for the NISM exam. But first, creating your portal ID. Okay. For the RA student, it is a mandatory for them to enroll for the NISM exam, but you have to consult with me. From me, actually, you consult and then you enroll. Not now. You can also create your NISM portal. Okay. So for the students who have joined for the internship over here, no need to enroll for any NISM exam. I hope it is making sense actually. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you just stop me and then I will try to help you. So how you will enroll? Go to HICM portal. Check me quick links. Okay, check me quick links. NISM you will search over here. Some things if they are changing now. NISM certification. So here you click actually. Go to the new portal. This is the old portal. Click here to visit the new portal. Create your account. First you have to create your account. Okay, you create your portal ID over here. Upload all your documents. PAN card, photo, proof of address, documents whichever they are asking. 10th class mark sheet, employment details, whatever you have, you upload. Your profile will be uploaded within 1 week of time. Just update me. I will tell you which exam has to be cleared. Harish, please don't ping me right now. I am in class and you are in the sessions. Okay, for any doubts, you approach me after the sessions or you can just ping on the chat only.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Okay, any more doubts? Okay, is that making sense? Clear? So we can start the sessions, right? Okay, let us start the sessions. Let us learn from the very basics and logics. Okay, see there are various type of sectors. Okay, we have listed sectors over here. So sectors, I mean banking sector, IT sector. Okay, banking sector. Then we have IT sector. Then we have pharmaceutical sector. Okay, FMCG sector. Different type of sectors we have. Different sector type of sectors are having different type of businesses listed with them. Banking sector, it is having all banking stocks. IT sector, it is having all IT stocks. Pharmaceutical, all pharmaceutical companies are there. FMCG, it means fast moving consumer goods. Okay, you will find all fast moving consumer goods company, the items which you will use in your day-to-day life. Okay, soaps, then brush, atta, rice. Okay, these are all fast moving consumer goods. So we have different type of sectors. Real estate sectors are also there, if you will see. Okay, okay. So different type of sectors we have. See now we have listed different type of markets over here. Okay, listed markets, and then you can tell about the unlisted markets. Okay, listed markets, unlisted market, listed on the stock exchanges. So here we have two type of stock exchange, NSE and BSE. Okay, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. These are the nationalized stock exchanges, nationalized stock exchanges, and if you will see standardized, they have some standards, some protocols, some compliances. Okay, some steps which has to be followed. Followed by whom? Followed by the participants over here. We have different type of participants over here. Okay, retail participants, FIIs, we have banks over here, mutual funds over here. All participants has to follow the compliances and the steps that has been given by these exchanges. So when they have compliances as such, you can tell it is very, very transparent. Transparent in the means in terms of the prices. If you want to ask about the price of Reliance stock, you can easily check. Nobody can tell Reliance stock is in so and so price 5,000 rupees when you can also check. You will tell no price is this one. Okay, so it is very transparent. So buyers and sellers participants are more over here. Okay, buyers and sellers participants are more over here. They will participate and they will do the PDM mechanism over here. Okay, price discovery mechanism that they will do over here on every nanosecond whenever the market is open. Okay, so people and liquidity, it is not the concern over here. Liquidity, it is not the concern because there are market makers who will keep the market liquid. Okay, they will also buy and sell actually, and they will provide liquidity to the market. So you will find buyers and sellers are there. Okay, now don't tell there are some exceptions to this rule. Okay, tomorrow if you are seeing any company, you will see it is not having proper liquidity. That is also the concern over here. But most of the companies, which is the large cap companies, okay, small cap companies, mid cap companies, good companies are having liquidity over here. There is no concern as such. Unlisted market. Now I will talk about the OTC market. Okay, over the counter market, which we will also learn into the AIF sessions, alternative investment funds. Alternative investment funds. This also we will learn. Like now I'm talking about the PE funds and PE funds. Okay. Or you can also tell some regional stockbrokers which have the unlisted platforms with them. Okay, where the shares can be listed. But these are the unlisted market. It means either there are very less compliances, or most of the time you will find over here that there are no compliances. Okay, no compliances or no standardized procedure. Standardized procedure process. So if you will see participants over here, okay, it is very less. Participants, it is very less over here. Even buyers and sellers will not feel safe over here most of the time. So liquidity can be the concern over here. Liquidity can be the concern over here. It is not a liquid market. Dipti, did you join the session? And please, all of you, my humble request, if you are in the call, please don't ping me on WhatsApp chat actually. You have any concern, you chat on the Google Meet chat only for any doubts. Okay, because I am taking a session. Again, you will ping me. I cannot answer on WhatsApp. So please don't ping me for any of your questions on WhatsApp when you are already in the session. For other timings and all, you can ping me, I will answer. But during the session, avoid pinging me on WhatsApp. Okay. So very less compliances, no standardized procedure, unlisted market which we are talking about. See, apart from this, we can also have the regional stock exchanges. Okay. We also have the regional stock exchanges. Like if you will see, we have the Gujarat Stock Exchange. Okay, we have the Bangalore Stock Exchange, Chennai Stock Exchange, regional stock exchange, which is run by the regional brokers, which I have told you. Okay, again, actually, see, prices can be less transparent over here. Compliances can be less over here. Participants can be less over here. Okay.
Here again under the listed market.
No, no, no. See, when we are talking about the listed market, we are talking about NSE and BSE. Regional stock exchanges. Okay. See, there are some companies. Suppose you have some company. Now you want to raise the funds. If you will go to the NSE and BSE, you will tell, I want to list my share and I want to raise the fund. Might be they will tell you are very small company, we cannot help you. You work for at least 2 to 5 days, make your proper business model and then come to us. So what you will do, you will approach to the regional stock exchanges. You can go to Bangalore Stock Exchange. You can talk to some local stockbroker. You can tell I want to sell my shares of my company. I will raise the fund from you. They will help you. They will provide you a forum where you can raise the fund. But those shares are not listed. You will give them the unlisted papers only. Okay. So when you will sell to them, suppose you will sell to them on 20 rupees per share. Those shares are not listed now. Those stockbroker can sell to their clients also 30 40 rupees. But the issue with that actually liquidity can be concerned, because when any share is listed on the stock exchange, buyers and sellers will quote buy sell buy sell buy sell. But here it is not happening now. Tomorrow he can quote at 30 rupees. Day after tomorrow he can tell again 25 rupees. But who will tell you who will, decide the price. Who is deciding? Isn't a
Broker.
stockbroker? Stockbroker is deciding. Do you think he is quoting the correct price? As per his profit motive, he will quote actually. As per demand, he will see. He will quote actually. Uh, but when the share is listed on the market, PDA mechanism, buyers and sellers, okay, they will discover the price. Price discovery mechanism will be there. So they will discover the prices of the shares and then they will quote the price and okay, they will arrive to the best price. Hmm. This is what is happening over here. So, okay, let us work on some case study. Okay, suppose there is a H company. Now H company wants to raise the funds. And H company is into the FMCG business. Okay. Now they have various options where they can raise the fund. The first option is that they can raise the fund from banks. Banks works under the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, regulated. Okay, I will just put over there. Regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so they will approach to the bank and they will tell their all business reasons. Now I was over here. H was there. H was wanting to raise the funds. But why they want to raise the fund? Okay, let us try to understand. Why to raise the funds? Why they want to raise the funds? What are the business needs? Might be they need to acquire. Okay, acquire other company. Now, which company? Might be they want to acquire the K company. Okay, why they want to acquire? Might be it is into the AI business. So they want to acquire. Now you are seeing now every company is into the AI. They have to enter. Okay, into AI market and they have to implement AI into their business actually. Okay, even your Accenture is too much focus on. Okay, because HR, whenever they are coming, they are telling students should also know about something about AI actually. Okay, something at least they should know what we are talking about, not in the process and all, in-depth knowledge, some basic knowledge. Okay, they are also telling about AI. So every business, okay, wants to focus on the AI part actually over here. Okay, so acquiring other company which is into the AI business. Now they have two options. Either they will do their own R&D research, which will again consume their time and money and efforts also. They will succeed or not, that is a different question. Or second thing is that they will acquire this K company. Okay, so for acquisitions, they need funds. See expansion actually. You see expansions within the same cities. Okay, it means they want to open office in different areas or different cities actually. They have office in Delhi. They want to open in Bangalore or they want to open office in Chennai. Okay, or you can tell different countries only. They have office in India. They want to open in USA, Australia, like that actually. Okay, expansion also need funds, so they want to raise the fund for that. See, third is that actually working capital requirements, day-to-day expenses. Okay, day-to-day expenses of any company. There are various day-to-day expenses of the companies. Okay, ad hoc expenses you can tell, labor expenses, water expenses, electric expenses, so many expenses which the company has to take care actually. Okay, or refinance of the loans actually. They have some loans which they want to refinance at lower rate of interest. Yes, for that also. So some of the businesses which you saw, so they can approach to the bank. Okay, to raise the fund. See, bank it is having some kind of compliances. Okay, but here components will open. Okay, principal amount, interest you will see, unlisted shares, profits. Okay, or you can also tell about the stakes actually. So they will approach to the bank, they will ask money from them, some with their proper valid business reasons. Bank will ask about their principal amount. Bank will also ask their interest. Banks are not interested in the unlisted shares or profit or stake. Okay, this is the main business of any bank. Accept the deposit, give the loans, take the principal amount with their interest. Okay, this is the core business of any commercial bank which I am talking about. See, they can also approach to the alternative investment funds like venture capitalist. Okay, venture capitalist funds, venture capital. Even we are asking some questions actually. Okay, so I think in the batch one only we are asking some questions on that, and e funds actually which we will learn. Okay, private equity funds actually which will invest into the unlisted companies. Complete chapter actually we will learn about all these kind of topics actually. Unlisted companies, they will go and invest their money. See, some of the alternative investment funds are regulated, less regulated. Okay, some of the funds are there which is not regulated at all. So compliances wise, if you will see over here, compliances are very less. They can easily raise the fund without venturing into more rules, compliances. They can easily approach to them and they can raise the funds. But see, these AA funds are not giving the funds for taking the principal amount or for taking the interest. No, they want unlisted shares, profit or stake. So this component will open over here. Okay, they can also approach to the HNIs, high net worth individuals. Okay, and they can raise the funds from them. It means individual people who have their wealth, they want to invest. Again, they are not coming under the bracket of any RBI. Individual person, they have their own will and they can sit in the table, they can discuss, they can decide how they are going to give the funds, norms and all. They can decide by sitting on the table. Principal amount they don't want, interest also they don't want these people. Yet unlisted shares, they will take profit or stake of that company. Okay, like that they can raise the funds. But the question here comes is that what are the other ways in which the funds can be raised? So see, fundraising activity is the main part. Even you will work in the RA profile also, you will work in the IBA, FA profile, any profile you work. This process you cannot ignore. Okay, even though if you will work with the RA profile, you have to do a research for the company actually. There can be various companies which can tell you, help us, you are an RA, do a research on the market where we should place our target audience and we can raise the funds actually. So your role will increase over there. Okay, so you can also play a role over here. IB people so already they have to pitch into all this kind of work. Okay, so how to raise the fund? Still we are on this case study. What are the other ways? Is it the only way? No. So the other ways how to raise the funds. See, funds can also be raised via the capital market. Now we are talking about some infrastructure. Talking about some infrastructure. Okay, digital infrastructure now. Okay, digital infrastructure because everything is digitalized over here nowadays. Okay, okay. Just ignore the spelling. Okay, okay. I will just move forward. Infrastructure, digital infrastructure. We are talking about regulated market. Okay, talking about the regulated market. See, everything is regulated. Now, if you want to see all the sectors, go to the check me quick links, sector indices. All sector is regulated. Auto sector, if you will see RTO laws we have as per the states. Banking sector controlled, regulated by a Reserve Bank of India. Cement sector, every industry over here regulated. See, who will regulate them? Then central government will come in picture, na? When you are telling about regulation, central government will regulate them because they have ministry, okay, of every sector. Okay, they will put some compliances. They will check whether these sectors are following these compliances or not. Why? They have to follow a procedure. See, previously people were afraid to buy a house, under construction house, because RERA was not there. Are you afraid now? Afraid, yes, you have to cross check, but little. Okay, because you are aware. Whenever they will start a project, RERA, they have to take, it means they will submit all their papers in government and then they will come and start a project actually. Okay, so every sector you see it is regulated. See, like that capital market. Why people participants are more? Why people are coming? Why people will trust over here? Regulated. You know there are some norms which has to be followed. Okay, we can believe on them. Participation will be more. People will trust actually. Okay, so when the H company will decide, okay, let me go to the capital market. First, they have to take the approval. See, approval from where? They will come to the capital market and they can go to NSE and BSE exchanges. They can decide whether they have to list on exchange NSE or whether they will list on BSE. They will try to raise the funds from with the help of these exchanges. So first of all, they have to take the approval from them. So for that, they will submit their all papers. Okay. First of all, they will tell what are their business reasons why they want to raise the funds. Second thing is that audited financial statements. Okay, audited via third party CA. All products and services which they are selling, which they are selling. Profiling of their stakeholders, founders, promoters, okay, who are promoting this company. They have to submit their profile, okay. Once they will submit their paper, their profile should get approved. Once their profile is getting approved, then they can do the advertisements over here. Okay, the ads will start, which is coming on various exchanges. See, the first part is that the ad will be given by the exchanges because they are only approving their profile.
And
NSC,
they start promoting that company.
via the IPO process. Okay, so this process is called the IPO process. Okay, initial public offering process. You will see over here. Initial public offering process, which will start. Initially, the company will connect to the public and they will offer them something. What they will offer? They will offer their equity shares. Okay. So in this case, the company will say, okay, we will try to raise our equity shares actually. Okay. So they will come with their equity shares. EQ. Short form is EQ. We will see. So you will go to the upcoming issues sector. Upcoming. So what are the upcoming Own me. Okay. So we have one company Own me. We will just open. See, this is for EQ actually. Equity shares. Okay. So see, every company will be having a symbol name over here. Okay. Own me, whatever you are seeing, Omni Technology, Omni Tech, it is having a symbol name. Okay. So there are 2000 plus companies which are listed on the stock exchange. Every company will be having their symbol name actually. Symbol name will be different. Okay, every company symbol name will be different. Like that, whenever you are opening your bank accounts, your customer ID and your customer ID will be different, cannot be same. Okay, so from that symbol name only, you are trying to search for that particular company. Okay, you will open your stockbroker portal and then you will try to search. Even you can search in the exchanges portal also. See the issue period, you will see it is open for only 3 to 4 days. 30th April, na? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hmm. See, Saturday or Sunday, they will not count. Market is working from Monday to Friday. Okay, so for that you can tell, okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 to 4 days. Okay, Saturday also you will count Sunday. Okay, 3 to 4 days it will open. Okay, it will open for 3 to 4 days. Now we can know the features of the IPO process. Okay, open for few days. It will be having all symbol name. Okay, symbol name will be given. 100% see now you will see cutoff time it is also been given over there. So when you are applying for the IPO, they will tell you what is the cutoff time. Till what time you can apply or you can withdraw from the process. Suppose if you are applying and you will decide, okay, I want to withdraw, you can also withdraw, but you have a cutoff time. After that, you cannot withdraw your okay bidding from here. So they will also mention how many shares they are selling because see they have a limited shares. Okay, and if you will see in the IPO process, they are offering something actually. You will see they will offer it means they will offer something in discount. If the profile of that company it is good now, the demand will be more only. Okay, so if you will see demand will be greater than the supply over here. So for that, if they have to manage, they will tell it is a 100% book building process. They will tell the buyer to create a book. How they can create the book? Via bidding actually. See, whenever I am talking about a bidding, how the people have to bid. If company will tell my price is 45 rupees, can they bid? They cannot bid. They have to give a bracket. My price is between 45 rupees to 52 rupees. Now you bid in this bracket actually. So you will see over here, they will give them a bracket actually. 162 to 171. They have to bid actually. So this is called the price band. Okay, this is called the price band. They will tell this is our price band. Now you bid from 162 to 171. See, 162 is the lower price band. 171 is the upper price band. Okay, and you try to create a book actually, and then when this process will stop, as per your bidding, we will distribute the share on pro rata basis. Suppose you are bidding and you will set a cutoff price. It means you will not bid on any particular price. You will tell whatever is the cutoff price. See, maximum time cutoff price they will take at the highest price. 171 they will take as a cutoff price, and you are bidding on the cutoff price only. That doesn't mean that you got a guarantee that you will get the shares. There is no guarantee, even though if you will select the cutoff price also. Okay, so this you should be aware of. Face value. This we will see what is the face value. Okay, so now we can create some modeling over here. Okay, so I will just pick up this one symbol name. Symbol name I can just type over here. Lower price bracket, you will see 162. Upper price bracket 171. Difference from 3 percentage to 8 percentage actually. Okay, see this is the in this equity share you will see a difference of 5.56 percentage. But exchanges have told to the company if you are coming and you want to start with the IPO process, you can give them a bracket between 3 percentage to 8 percentage. In this case, they are giving them a bracket of 5.56, so it is within the prescribed limit. Whenever you are bidding, you cannot bid for one equity shares. Suppose actually you will go to the vendor and you will tell, I want to buy a potato. Give me one potato. Vendor can tell because it is their product that if you want to buy, at least you should buy 1 kg. Otherwise, you cannot buy. Or at least buy 10 pieces of potato. Then only you can purchase. In this also, if you are bidding, you cannot tell I will only purchase one equity share. Okay, will purchase in a lot size. See, lot size will be decided as per the price. Here the lot size is 87, but don't think every company will be having a lot size of 87 only. Company to company it will be changing based on what is their price. So suppose if you are bidding actually on a lower price than 162 into 87, then you have to deposit 14,094 rupees. If you are bidding on the upper price bracket 171 into 87, then you have to deposit. It means blocking your money 148,577. Now you understand a logical point of it. Whenever you are bidding now, most of the time they will keep the principal amount intact within 15,000 only. Okay,
Per lot.
15 or 16,000 only. So you will see as per the price, the lot size will change so that it should match the basic capital of 14 to 16,000 between this only. Okay, so you understand the process actually. Now, suppose this is the H company. Okay, and you are standing over here and you will tell, I will go for this IPO. I want to apply for this company. Whenever you want to apply for this company, you should apply from financial intermediary.
They are again a third party.
It means you cannot apply directly. You will apply via financial intermediary. Either you can apply from the stockbroker. Either you can also apply as you are telling Erika, it is correct only. You can apply from bank. You can also apply for a transfer agent. Okay, so you have to apply via financial intermediaries only. Suppose you are applying via the stockbroker, which most of the people will do. So your application will be taken by the stockbroker. They will issue you the order ID number, or they will issue you the reference ID number. Okay, and then they will block your money with them.
Block their money.
It means they will deposit this money with themselves, and they will pass this order ID number to the company. See, they will not pass your money to them. Why they will not pass your company? Your money will be blocked. You know, suppose you are applying via the bank. Nowadays they will tell to apply via the UPI. UPI you will apply. Your money will be blocked by the bank only. Okay, but it will be, broker will tell. Broker and bank will work together. Broker will tell you block the money of your client in your bank accounts. Don't allow the
So
client to
people
use.
initially bid
Ha,
money.
ha. Suppose if you are bidding and you are applying by Axis Bank, so Axis Bank will block your money. So now the work of the stockbroker and bank will start. They will not allow you to use that particular amount. 15,000 rupees you cannot use now. It will be blocked within your bank only. Okay, until this bidding process, it is in process actually. Until this bracket, the days will close, because here, whenever you are bidding, you are not sure whether you will get the shares or not. Hmm. Either you can get the shares, either you cannot get the shares. Suppose you are not getting the shares, then this money will be released. And suppose you are getting the shares, so this money which is blocked now, it will be released to the Edge company, and you will get the shares. Okay. See, this process, whatever you are thinking now, whatever you have learned till now, it comes into the primary market. It comes into the primary market. See, the journey of the shares will not stop over here. Suppose you have got the shares, the life cycle of the shares will go to the secondary market also. Where now you are standing, you will buy and sell with the help of your stockbroker. Okay, now who is the stockbroker? Stockbroker is the member or agent of the stock exchange. And where you will buy and sell? You will buy and sell on the stock exchanges, BSE or NSE. Hmm? I hope it is clear to you. Okay. See now, I was over here. I was telling to you, once the profile is approved, advertisement will start. See, the ads will start into exchanges portal. Okay. The second level of ads the company can also give into the print media. In terms of the newspapers, business newspapers, they can give the ads that we are coming with the IPO process. So with this, I will also suggest you start reading the economics times and business standards. Any of the newspapers, whichever you think you have time, please read for at least 10-15 minutes. Okay, either you have done any course over here. Okay, see, we cannot force you to buy and purchase and read actually. But if you are doing good for yourself only. Okay. So newspapers, they can also go to the print media, digital media, it means okay, business news channels. They can also give the ads in business news channels. Z Business, Z News, all these business news channels, ET, CNBC, TV 18. Okay, they can give the ads over there also. Not only that, they can also give the ads via the stockbroker, financial intermediary. Okay, stockbrokers, banks, they can send you the notifications. Okay, that this is so and so company. It is coming with the IPO process. If you want, you can apply. Okay, like that they can. Okay, give the ads over there. Now the thing is that again we are on that case study where we have started. Is it the only way to raise the funds? See, because we have started from the funds can be raised via the banks. Then we have learned that the funds can be raised via the capital market. Okay, we have learned actually. See, the funds can be raised via the banks, alternative funds. Then we have learned okay, HNIs also. Then we learned about okay, funds can be raised via the capital market. This is the only way the funds can be raised. See, the company can also construct the debentures to raise the funds. Different products now actually. Debentures can also be found by the company debt, which we short form is debt. Okay. Company can come up with their debentures with the fixed maturity period.
Then they don't have to go to
Capital market.
IPO, right?
Hmm.
In that situation, if they're raising fund from here.
Debentures.
Hmm.
But here all type of companies can come. All sectors can come. Debentures, I will show you. Most of the companies, they are which type of company which is coming and raising the debt over here, debentures over here. Okay, the difference, they have different business purpose actually why they are coming. Most of, see here, so every company, every sector can come, but here I will show you which sectors are coming and they are okay coming with their debentures as per their business models also. They have a fixed maturity period. Okay, so they can issue for suppose tranches T1 category 1, trans 2, okay, category 2, trans 3, category 3. It can be for 7. They can tell for T1 is for 3 years debentures. 3 years it will mature. See, when it will mature, company has to repay back their principal amount along with the interest they are giving. Okay, 3 years. Company can tell we are giving you 6.8 percentage interest. This interest you can take monthly, quarterly, yearly.
Okay, all three options are there.
As per the tranches. You can see actually over here. Okay. Now this is the trans 2 set. Okay, this is the trans 2 where the company can tell this for 5 years. I'm giving you 7.8 percentage. Also you can take for monthly, quarterly. See, the as per the trans, the features can be changed. Okay, as per the trans, the features can be changed. Company can tell that this can be for 8 years. 8 years, if you will choose 9.8 percentage, I can give you monthly, quarterly. Now you observe a data actually. If the maturity period is more, company is giving more percentage over here. Why? Because you are giving your money for more period of time, so company will pay you more. Okay, also I will just open this one actually. Quick links, upcoming issues. There is no debt. Security, we can go to the past issues, okay? This is control F, DBT. Nasik Municipal, no, this can be not the good example. Power Finance, different type of companies are coming. SMC Global, Surat Municipal, someone, you grow again, SMC Global Securities, India Bull Housing Finance. I just want to open this one. This can be the best example which I can show you. Okay, again, you will see over here the company which is coming with the debt debentures, they have the symbol name. Categories you can see. Different type of features are there. S1, different features. Annual payment, monthly payment. S3, categories, tranches will be different. You can choose any of the tranche that you want. It is good for you. Payments will be different for every tranche.
So
You can
locking
choose.
period they have defined already.
They have defined actually. Hmm.
Hmm.
So as per your mode, whichever you want, you can choose. They will give you. Issue period, actually, it is more. Okay, see, IPO, when you saw it is open for 3 to 4 days, it is open for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, actually, like that. 13th May, it was the last to last year, 2024, but still I was wanting to show you this example. Okay, this is the best example which I can show you. Okay, so now we can see the difference actually. Difference between both of them. Okay, so here I can type over equity. Here debentures I can type over here. Okay, debentures actually. Okay, market price. Who will give the market price to equity shares? Suppose we will tell Reliance actually. Okay, Reliance, you will go top market capitalization. Reliance, you will go over here. You will see top 100 companies as per their market capitalization. Reliance, it is having some price. HDFC Bank is some price. Bharti Airtel, it is having some price. Every company is having some price. See why Reliance price is 1430 and not 3330. Why HDFC Bank is 771 and not 1751. I can also tell now why it is not at 200 rupees. Why it is only 7771. See, whenever we will tell about the pricing of an equity share, first of all, we should see that every company which is listed on the stock exchange, it is having some business model. On the basis of that business model, they will generate the cash, products they will sell, services they will sell. On the basis of those cash also, they will prepare their financial reports. Valuation will be done for that company. Okay. Then the work of the founders will come who has promoted that company. And then the shares will getting listed actually. See, before shares will get list now, it is having some background actually. Suddenly shares cannot get list. Suppose if I will tell, okay, I just want to list my hanky. Can I list tomorrow? Cannot list, right? So there is no basics actually of that. Okay. Do no basic. So first there is a base and then the shares are getting listed. Shares is getting listed. Buyers and sellers will see that equity shares. Okay. They will start doing the PDM mechanism over the price discovery mechanism. They will discover the price of that particular stock based on these basics also. Tomorrow the buyers cannot come and increase the price of Reliance share to 2000 rupees suddenly. There is a basics defined in that actually. Okay, basics is it is coming from there. Okay, there is also some logic game which is getting played over there. Okay, so bidding will start. Price, market price actually via the PDA mechanism. This you can also cross check. Stock price, if you want to cross check, you can cross check from the stockbroker. Okay, you can cross check from the exchanges portal or the third party vendor. You can check the prices if you want to check the prices. Okay, see who will describe the market price of debentures. There is no PDM mechanism over here. Buyers and sellers cannot decide the price of the debentures. Company are telling, suppose company will tell, I will give you 12% rate of interest per month. No, sorry, per year. It means per month I am giving 1%. So 1% they have to increase. Okay. They will give. Okay. See now you see over here. Here there is no PDM mechanism. Okay, because it is in the hand of the company. See now you see over here face value. Face value is there into the equity share also. Face value is there into the debentures also. See the face value can be between 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10 rupees.
How we are maintaining is 1 to 10 only.
I will come to you. Very good question, but I was, explaining this part only. Okay, 1 to 10 actually. This is the prescribed limit actually. Okay, prescribed by whom? Prescribed by the exchanges, because these equity shares are listed actually. But the question comes is that very good question. Who will decide actually? Whether it is 1, whether it is 10 actually. Who will decide actually? Company can tell 10, company can also tell 1. On what basis actually? See, you see about the corporate actions. Corporate actions in which company can give declare the dividend. Dividend will come into the bank account of the shareholders in the form of the cash. See, the calculation on dividend is based on the face value. How actually, suppose company is earning 100 crores. Company will tell, okay, I want to give dividend to my shareholders. I will give 10 percentage or 100 percentage of dividend. It doesn't mean that 100 percentage 100 crores will go to my shareholders. 100 percentage actually I will calculate on face value. See, company has to do a budgeting. Okay, company will do budget every year. Okay, three months also company will do budget actually. What is my earning? How much I am going to spend? When they are doing the budgeting, they are not expecting the correct price, but estimation they require so that they have to plan actually. Okay, for this budgeting, they need a base value. The base value should be stable. Stock market price are not stable, volatile. They cannot decide that when they are going to give the dividend, what will be my stock price. Nobody can predict now. So what exchanges have told to them, you create a face value, you give a proper pricing to them, fixed price actually, which you only decide. What it means actually, if the face value is more, dividend payout will be more. If the face value is less, dividend payout will be less. Suppose actually the company will tell my face value is 10 rupees. Company will tell 100 percentage of dividend on 10 rupees. It means I am giving you 10 rupees on one equity share. It means what actually, if you have 100 shares, 100 into 10.
Okay, so it doesn't have to do anything with the pricing of the share. It is
No, no.
decided by the company or
Company,
exchange.
whether they want to give more dividend or less dividend.
It is for
Okay, see TCS face value was 10, then it was 5, 2, now it is 1. Most of the larger companies, face value are 1 because number of shareholders are more. They do not want to give so much of money because they also want to retain some money with them so that they can use for the future expansion of their business growth. Hmm? Suppose actually, if the face value is 1, 100 percentage, it means 1 rupee. So 100 into
Okay.
100 into 1 you do over here. Hmm. So with that you see over here, okay? Just go to the stock exchange, TCS, see the face value 1. Hmm. So now they have reduced. Most of the larger companies have reduced their face value.
And they cannot further reduce no more.
One is the last bracket that they can reduce actually. Hmm. See the face value will be 1000 over here. Okay, even it will list on 1000 only. But the equity share will not list as per the face value. Okay, the market value will be always running on the premium price only as per the face value. Number of times only. If face value is 1, number of times. It means, see, face value is 1, but you are paying number of times 2474. times more in type of TCS actually. But you see actually, G price is 1000, face value is 1000 for debentures. Same only, na? But in equity share, the price is as per the price bracket that you are getting, and the listing price can be different over here. Okay. Now you see market capitalization. Market capitalization. It will come here also, and it will come here also. It is NA over here. See market capitalization of an equity share, how to calculate. Okay. So first of all, you should know the market price into hmm, number of public shareholding. Free float shares. Okay, we can tell free float shares. Whenever the company will decide, okay, as company suppose they are deciding, I will come with my equity share. They can come up with their plan. 70 percentage of the shares will be the promoter shareholding. 30 percentage will be the public shareholding. It means I am giving into the public hands. Hmm? This 30 percentage we need to calculate the market capitalization. Market price you can take from the stockbroker. Whatever you are seeing over here, right? Reliance market capitalization, it is this only 1430 into number of free float shares. See, free float shares you can check from the stock exchange also. You have to search for the option TCS actually, no?
Free for share, look, no one is owning that share.
Public shareholding. Public is holding that shares.
Okay.
Free float means it is into the public hand actually. Okay, freely it is available into the market to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Okay. See, 71 percentage it is into the promoters holding. 28 percentage we need to calculate the market, you know, public shareholding. 28 percentage of the shares into market price. When you will do market capitalization will come over here. Okay. Apart from this, what are the other products that company can come up with? Okay. Company can also issue the preference shares. Preference shares. See, we have the equity shares, we have the preference shares. Preference shares, they will give the preference rights over there. Most of the companies which is coming actually, suppose they will not go to the IPO market. Suppose you have a company, you will not go to the IPO market, capital market. You found some HNI client. HNI client can tell, I will give you 100 crores. Okay, or 20 crores, 30 crores, whatever you are wanting. You give me some preference shares of your company. It means some special voting rights I should be having. Some extra rights I will enjoy. Extra benefits. Whenever this particular company will declare dividend, first of all, they should give the preference shareholders dividend. Preference dividend they should give, and then the turn of the equity shareholders will come. Okay. Company can also issue warrants and certificate as a part of the rewards. Okay.
So even companies having equity, they can issue the preference share.
They can issue preference shares actually if they want more money actually. At any point of time, listed company can go to the unlisted market and they can raise the funds. It is on them actually whether to go to listed market or whether to raise local money actually. It is their choice actually. There is no rules on them. Once you are going to the capital market, you cannot raise your preferred share, so you cannot go to other players to raise the funds. It is my choice actually. I can go to any person and ask money actually if they are willing to give me, and if I need actually. Hmm?
It's a good option.
It is an
People who
option.
is buying the preference share.
But at that point of time, particular person whom they're observing, they should have money and they should ready to invest in. Some people, HNA clients, might be they will not like their business. Okay, maybe they will tell your business is risky. We cannot invest this point of time. If both the parties should are agreeing, then they can go. Okay, see now, suppose those companies there now it is a listed company, 5 rupees. Listed company rate is 5 rupees. They can give the warrants to some number of employees who are working very good. They can tell, we will give you the warrants, convertible warrants actually. Okay, whenever price will reach to 25 rupees in 1 year of time, you can convert your rights. You can come to us, we will give you some discounts. Whatever is the market price, 40%, 30% discount we can give you. You can buy from us actually, and you can convert into equity shares and then you can sell. Okay, it is just like a reward. Sweat equity, again, people who will sacrifice their personal life also. Okay, and they will work for the profits of their firms, company. Okay, for the good of their companies. Okay, and they will help to increase their business. So they can also issue them sweat equity in some, less discounted price. Less discounted price. Sweat equity they can issue to them, and also they can give them some certification they can give to them. Sweat equities are issued to employees only. Okay, to help them. So see, these are the different products that you have learned, capital market products. Let me go to some important points. Now you have understood that how equity shares are formed. Let me also explain you how debentures are formed. Okay,
So basically, we are going to learn about the equity, debentures, and
preference share, warrants.
Okay.
Okay, see here, whatever topics we have, it is only for the basics. We will try to learn. Okay, capital market products which we will capture. Okay, so as per your syllabus only. Okay, merchant banker, stockbroking, capital market, ICE and QSIP. Till here we will try to finish. Hmm? How debentures are formed actually. Equity share, I am sure that you are aware that how equity shares are formed, but how debentures are formed.
But how the companies are bringing so high IPOs like Lenskart or
They
the
can.
valuation of 70,000 crores something. The company doesn't work there much.
See
They are
the
initially they are cheating to people in that situation.
see the thing is that I will just see because I have a newspaper of today actually. If I get some example where I can show you that how the companies are going into the market and then they will purchase. If I have some example of today in today's newspaper, I will show you. Otherwise, so you try to read the newspaper, okay, daily newspaper. If not, I will find. I will bring in my next session. Okay, live example I will bring. There is no IPO which is listed actually. Okay, but see actually, you try to understand the process actually. Whenever the company is coming, H company suppose, initially they need some kind of capital. Lens card. You take the example of lens card. When the company is very very new, they will go to the unlisted market. They will try to raise the funds from the unlisted markets. So there will be some P funds or some HNI clients. To them, they will sell the shares in 1 rupee per equity share, or they will sell rupees in 2 rupees equity shares. Also, you can quote, I will show you in quote also. In newspaper, it is looking very clearly, or you can search the data. When the lens card come from where they have raised the funds, there will be some promoters, there will be some people, partners actually, who have funded the company. Person business idea is different. He approached to some new people, which is the P fund, some HNI clients. That part time they will sell the shares. Weighted average cost they will sell in a initially they will sell 1 rupee, 2 rupees. They will try to raise the funds from them. Before coming to the IP. 99% is of the company. Okay. This is what IPO process when you are seeing the IPO process over here, and when you will read in the newspapers, okay, you will find more data, more clear data. Even those data you can find over here also. Okay, last time when on me technologies. Let me see if I can get those data over here. Red hearing prospectus. We can download this red hearing prospectus and we can see, okay? Company will run for 10 years. Now, this Lensguard will tell, I want to list my shares.
Mm.
You can also sell your holdings. These players also, they will also try to sell their holdings. These 1 2 rupees of shares, na, they will sell at 1,000 rupees. Not only the company will sell their equity shares. These people who are the PE funds who are holding their equity shares, they will also try to encash. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Number of times they will gain actually. With this, they will approach to the investment banking companies. This process also you will learn. Investment, see market makers creating a favorable demand for the markets actually. Favorable demand, it means demand is not there, but you create within the group actually. Create a demand actually so that people will artificial markets actually. Zomato, what has happened? Zomato, then it was a loss making company. What has happened? That time Paytm actually.
Paytm.
Loss making company try to raise the people investment banking. This is the main work now of investment making companies. And people like you, research analyst, they will also give them the attractive valuation. At that point, in time, people will get attracted by seeing the price actually. Most of the people will not see the balance sheet actually. They will see, okay, 100 rupees, okay, very less. Okay, let us apply. Actually, it is coming in my budget, pocket budget. Okay, like that. So many news will flow market. Okay, so people.
This is no point of time. They have to do the valuation proper of the company before it is being listed for IPO.
See, most of the time, whenever they will value the company na, as per their business model only. Valuation wise, it is fine actually. Number of shares there which they are bringing, that is getting decided by the company as per their business plans actually. See, market is open actually. You follow the rules and then you step into. Okay, like that, company ABCD XYZ company cannot come and list their shares. They will follow all processes actually over there. How much money they want to raise as per their business model, they will submit all the proofs actually. Okay, then only they are getting allowed over there into the market and they are coming to the market. From that point of angle, you can be assured actually. But other things which you are thinking that if the company it is the loss making company, and this part they cannot control actually. They cannot tell that your people who have the P funds have purchased at 1 rupee, you cannot sell at 1,000 rupees of per equity. This they cannot control actually. Price control.
Also.
See, price control, it is into the hands of the company actually. Okay, you have some mobile actually. Okay, and demand, and it is in your hand how much you want to sell. See, the when suppose you are a dealer of Samsung mobile, Xiaomi mobile. Xiaomi will tell, I will sell you at 10,000 rupees. You can quote between 12,000 rupees to 16,000 rupees. You are there into some market actually. Okay, where you are saying that there is no other shops are there. And you are only keeping that model actually. And there is a high demand. You will quote on the high bracket na.
Okay.
Nobody can, it is your product. And suppose demand will increase. Further, you can, it is in your hand na. You can quote your, so when you are having a company, but see, we cannot do the other part. You cannot take the camera and you can fit some other mobile camera. Customer will not accept. These things are not allowed over there. Pricing, it is in your hand now. How much, this is your product. It is okay. How much price you want to quote, you can quote actually.
Say
Company,
won't interfere here. Whatever
company,
demand they
see,
want to generate.
SEBI will not come in controlling the price. Okay, they cannot. But they are there to control whether the company is genuine or not. Okay, that too, that is a work of NSE and BSE exchange. Okay, SEBI will not talk directly to any clients. Like, see, your bank, whenever you will open an account, you will talk with your bank. RBI will not talk to you. Okay, suppose I have an account balance is low. RBI will not send me message. Bank will send me the message. Prescribed by the RBI only. Bank, customer has to keep this much message. Norms are there actually. Okay. In the same way, SEBI will regulate the exchanges. Exchanges will regulate the company actually over there like that. Okay.
Mm.
If they have any concern, they can approach to the SEBI actually. If you have any concern with your bank, you can approach to the Reserve Bank of India. There is a difference to you. Okay. Pricing part.
For NSE, doesn't matter the valuation of the company. Company has to give the
Say,
valuation and they approve based on the submitted
okay,
documents.
I will tell you. Uh, Let me open this one. Okay, my zeroed account. Okay, I will give you a live example of one listed company, not listed.
Mhm.
Okay, valuation of the stock decided by the market participants. Okay, buyers and sellers will bid.
Mhm.
But yes, whenever the valuation is on peak, there are some software which can give you some kind of warnings. Valuation is very, very high, don't buy. PE is high. Okay. But they cannot control. They cannot tell beyond this price, the price cannot go.
Yeah, obviously.
They
In the
cannot
secondary
see into
yes.
the second, even into the fresh market, even into the IPO market. They cannot control.
The initial public offer, the prices should be the least at that point of time.
It is all, see now, I will tell you, they cannot control the pricing at that point of time. If the prices are more, okay, it will affect the demand of the company. LIC IPO, when it came, listing day na, it was listed on discount actually because the pricing was more. If people will find the pricing is more, definitely participants will be less over there. But they cannot control actually. Okay. Secondary market also they cannot control. Fresh market also, IPO market also, they cannot control the pricing actually. Okay. They see they are only there. What is their main work? Okay. To check the profiling of that particular company. That too actually. This is the work of NSC and BSC. Okay. Not for the SEBI actually.
Mhm. Okay.
Got the answer, right? Pricing they cannot tell beyond this price you cannot.
Shares also they cannot tell
No, no, no,
pricing
they
is what they
cannot.
control.
No, no,
All things controlled by the
no.
company itself.
Company
Only
only
thing is the company profile, whatever they are presenting
profiling
them,
that has to be checked by NSE and BSE, not SEBI actually. That
that
is
should be the genuine.
whenever you are opening the bank accounts,
Mm.
your documents will be cross-checked by the bank.
Mm.
Okay, bank has to submit to Reserve Bank of India who are their customers, who are their norms for their records and audit purposes actually.
Okay.
Okay, whenever the company is getting listed on the stock exchange, NSE and BSE only will check all the profiling, all the business records, products, whatever it is they're approving of the profile, all things will be done by the NSE and BSE only. Okay, for audit purposes, SEBI will ask SEBI,
Mm.
they should submit to the SEBI actually. Okay, some norms has to be prepared by the SEBI actually, which has to be followed by the NSE and BSE.
Mm. Yeah.
Further, it should be imposed by your stockbroker. Exchanges will tell to your stockbroker if your client is coming, if they are trading, what is the margin money that they have to bring in.
Mm.
That has to be taken care. Okay, by the stockbroker. Stockbroker will impose on you. Even you cannot interact directly with the exchanges. Whenever you are trading, you have to interact with your
Broker on.
broker only. Okay. Okay. So this example I will show you live example. It is fine actually. But now you have got the answer. Okay. Over here of your questions. So I was over here where I was telling you how the products are getting formed over here. Okay. Let me do some kind of research over here. Okay. Just see upcoming issues. I will go past issues. Debt market. What type of companies which are coming in with the debt debentures over here? Classic municipal, power finance corporations, SMC Global Securities, Surat Municipality is also someone capital is coming. Ugro Capital, mm, Ugro Capital, SMC Global Securities, India Bull Housing Finance Limited, Ugro Capital, Ugro Capital, Dani Loans. It is coming, okay. So just we are doing some research. Actually, what type of companies are coming and creating a debt over here, debentures over here, JM Financial Products, Pyramid Capital, okay. So see, most of the companies which we saw, okay, they are the non-banking financial company which is coming with the debentures. You were asking now what type of companies which can. So see, this is most of the company which you will see now, non-banking financial companies, capital market companies, housing loan companies coming with the debentures over here. Okay,
Construction companies or
construction companies if they are coming. Did you saw Tata Capital, transport finance actually, financial companies again. See, they will give finance. Mortgage is their truck transportation. How you know car loan, two-wheeler loans like that. Okay, motorcycle loans, Edelweiss Housing Finance, housing financial company actually which is coming. Okay, so this I was telling you. Now we can just go over there and we can just I will just show you some slides over there. Now you see. So this sheet it is also saved in your share drive folder only. You can just download. Suppose ICICI Bank is there. See here what we are trying to learn how the debentures are getting formed, how debentures are formed and how it is priced actually. Important, okay? How it is priced. It means you are seeing actually, okay? Companies are paying interest. How they are paying the interest? Company cannot pay the interest from their pocket. Okay, so how it is formed, this we will try to learn. Suppose ICICI Bank is there, ICICI Bank can give different type of loans. Housing loan, commercial loan, gold loan, personal loan. Based on the type of loan that they are giving, risk can be decided. Risk we can tell. Okay, see here I am taking three type of risk. You can also tell low, very low risk, moderate, very moderate, high, very high risk like that. I am taking three type of slabs over here. Low risk, moderate risk, high risk. Housing loan. Now you can comment on this. Company is giving housing loan. How it is a kind of risk? It is a secured loan, right? How it is kind of collateral over there? How it can be? See, whenever we will describe about a risk factor, we are telling two type of risk: systematic risk and unsystematic risk. Okay, two type of risk which we are telling. See, systematic risk we are telling about the market risk, risk of flood, war, which is there. Okay, diseases like okay, and flood, war, corona diseases. These are the type of risk. Earthquake, tsunami came. Okay, so earthquake. Okay, flood. Okay, flood. So it is there. Fire. Different type of risks which we are telling. Natural calamities. Different type of risk which we are talking about. Systematic risk. See these type of risks which is beyond our control actually. We cannot control it actually. And if the market is falling because of this risk, okay, stocks will also fall actually. And it can affect the housing factor also. See people who have purchased houses in Iran, what has happened to those houses? Gone in war.
Mhm.
Nobody can control. Might be people who have taken loan.
Okay.
People who have taken loan, America did bombing on them. Will they pay loan amount back? Why we will pay? Our house is gone.
Mm.
Who will suffer? Banking sector. So we have to consider these type of risk. Okay. Unsystematic risk. See, whenever we'll calculate a risk now, we cannot tell this thing cannot happen in India. Please, even though if you are in any team, research team actually, you cannot tell India is 100% safe. You always have to consider risk factor. Degree can be less or more actually. Degree can be less or more. Hmm. Suppose you will do a research on some company. It is into the border, Pakistan border actually. Hmm. Factory, main factory is it is there only. Production is happening from there only. You have to consider this factor. If war can happen, it can get affected. It can get bombarded. It can be destroyed. Hmm. Unsystematic risk. See, here we are talking about the individual risk. Individual risk of the company. Internal risk. Talking about the internal risk. Okay, which can be diversified via allocation of capital. Which can be diversified via allocation of capital in different asset classes. Systematic risk I am taking, so I am putting in a low risk category housing loan. Commercial loan, again we have to take risk factor. Also, commercial loan depreciation will happen over here. Depreciation will happen with them. Depreciation will happen with them. Suppose person has taken a loan of 10 lakhs rupees on a car, not paying EMI, agents, recovery agent came, seized the car. When they were trying to sell, they saw the insurance policy which is quoting 4 lakhs rupees price. They want to take back 7 lakhs rupees. This risk you have to consider. Depreciation risk. Other risk also. Gold loan, same. Systematic risk. Personal loan. Hmm? Personal loan without any security. Okay, high risk actually. Suppose, see, most of the housing financial company are coming with the debentures. Why? They are giving different type of housing loans. See, their norms are different. Suppose you want a housing loan in Bangalore from SBI Bank. SBI Bank will tell your project should be approved by BDA, okay, or BMRDA. Panchayat we will not give.
Mm.
Panchayat approved, we will not give you loan. Then don't have any option, but you want to buy because you saw prices very less, though it is into the Panchayat Raj. What you will do? You will go to a non-banking financial company. Non-banking financial company, they will tell, we will give you loan, no issue. Rate of interest will be more. SBI will give you 8 percentage, we can give you 15 percentage. What you want, you will take. 15 also you will go. Panchayat Raj. Now, Panchayat papers are, you know, riskier as compared to the BMRD or BDA. You are aware, right? Even roads will be bad. Connectivity will be small, less. So what these NBFC should do? Because they are taking riskier loan, they also want business. You are coming to them. These loans are on their head. They are thinking it a danger venture. So what they will do? They will go to the capital market. They will try to create a debenture. All these loans, they will create a portfolio of this loan. Suppose 5,000 crore rupees they have given.
Mm.
Create a debenture of 5,000 crore. Sell into the market. Now these loans will be getting rated as per the profiling of the people. How people are paying their EMI,
Mm.
ratings will be given by the credit rating agencies. Okay. But before that, they will go to the capital market, sell debentures. And suppose you are purchasing the debentures actually. So now this loan has been passed to whom? Debenture holders.
Because money has been given to bank. Or
No, no. See, you understand from this way actually. You are taking a loan from bank. Now this loan it is on the heads of ICICI Bank.
Hmm.
ICICI Bank will create a debenture. Now here people will buy this debenture. So this loan is they are passed to whom? Debenture holders.
Debentures.
Risk is
But
passed.
they are bound to pay interest on that.
They are bound to pay, but with a caution note. Debentures are riskier bet.
Okay.
Okay, if you are purchasing debentures, there is no guarantee of anything. Don't take debentures are like fixed
In the
deposits.
advertisement, they are showing it is very secure. Instead only
Secure.
12%, 12%.
See, the thing is that it is. See, I will tell you when you are talking about debentures, they are getting rated. Okay,
Hmm.
there it is not secure. It is risky or less risky based on their ratings. Okay, it is risky or less risky. They cannot tell, safety. They cannot tell guarantee. If any debenture holder is using the word guarantee,
Hmm.
it will be seized. You can complain also if you are seeing debentures, equity shares,
Hmm.
most of the capital market products, bonds, expect don't take the government bonds, private company bonds. It is not safe at all. Money can become zero.
Hmm.
Okay, if you want to do some research, do the research on Divan Housing Financial Limited.
You check. Yeah, but this happened 2 years before.
No, no, 6 7 years before actually. Okay, you have to do the research on Divan Housing Financial. Okay, this I'm giving you some hands up. So now the loan of 5,000 crore passed to the debenture holders. Bank is free now. See, bank has buy some insurance actually. Okay, insurance. They are paying you, but they are receiving 15 percentage from there, paying you 16 percentage. So their earning will be less, but they are assured now. You are getting my point? Even though you can check the profiling of the company, most of the housing finance company, capital market company are coming with the debentures over here. Okay.
Okay.
I was talking about the profiling actually. Okay. So you go to the here, check me. Capital market product, credit rating agencies, CRISIL, ICRA, KR, BWR, IARP. They will rate NPA, non-performing assets. Whenever any bank will give a loan, they have to create their NPA records. Assets which are not performing, people who are not paying back their loan actually, they will do the NPA for those actually. NPA will increase if people will not pay loan, will decrease if people are paying loan. Constant also it can be happening. So CRISIL is one of the player. Now they are giving CRISIL AAA, CRISIL AA, CRISIL A like that they will give. Triple A, highest safety, lower credit risk. See, they are not telling about security, safety. Double A, high safety, very low credit risk. Risk is there, credit risk is there. A, then adequate safety, low credit risk is there. Okay. BBB, moderate safety, moderate credit risk. Then if it will change to C or D, high default of risk, like that it will happen over here. Okay.
Now those debentures are coming to the market.
It has to
Again,
come.
NBC and BSC has to approve.
They will approve because you can declare my product. See, it is even though if your product is risky. See, capital market, it is all about risk. You follow all the compliances and then you go into the market and you can list anything you can list. If they will not follow the compliances, they will, exchange will not allow them to list. If you are a very small company and suppose after 10 years of time, even though if you know, some companies are there which has to declare their risk profile. They will tell that we have a court case from this to this customers. It doesn't mean they cannot get list themselves actually into the market actually. You follow the compliances and then you raise the funds actually. Okay. Even though if you are, but the thing is that actually if your product is only bogus, if there are no loans, simply you are creating debentures, then they will not allow. But if you have a loans, riskier loans also, you can create a debenture, you can come into the market. Anyhow, it will be rated now. Credit agency will rate them. And see, the duty of the buyer is to check the rating, check the profile, and then to invest. So now it is on the hands of the debenture holders. If we are not checking, it is our mistake. Okay, so see, cigarette is there. From cigarette, cancer can happen. How it is getting sell in the market?
By putting the photo on.
They have to see. They have to tell what is the notes side effect. They will prepare. Cancer can happen. Okay, like that. You have wine. Everything it is there. Okay, beer is there. So everything. See, market is open for every player actually. Okay, cautionary compliances you follow actually. How you can sell and then you can. Okay, like that. It is there into the market, right? Primary market, secondary market.
Which is the loan which companies are having.
Hmm?
Given prevention is the loan which companies are having.
Loan companies. Is
Correct.
correct actually. Correct. See, 99% people are not aware because this is the actual, fund of debentures. Debentures are risky. So with that, actually, I was just telling you this slide. Now you see over there. Okay. Risky. Equity shares are risky. Debentures are risky. Preference shares are risky. HNI who are giving funds to the company cannot give any assurance. My company can default tomorrow. See, unlisted companies, VCs, which will invest into the unlisted companies, 10 out of, 6, 7 companies can become zero, but 3, 4 companies will generate so much of returns. So they will allocate their funds into different companies, right? Capital, not safe. Interest, no interest on equity shares. If you are buying equity shares, you will not receive any interest. Debentures can pay monthly, half-yearly, yearly. No interest on preference shares. Maturity, no maturity on equity shares. Debentures, yes, maturity, no maturity. Delisted. See, company can get themselves delisted. Two type of delistings are there. Mandatory. Company will not follow the compliances of the exchanges. Exchange will tell you delist. Voluntary. Voluntary delisting. Whenever the company is getting listed on the stock exchanges, quarterly they have to submit the report. Companies can also find the headache. So much of headache, yeah. I don't want to go into that headache. It is too much of headache. Submitting the reports and every auditing and all. Company can decide, I will delist my equity shares, delist my business. 50 percentage plus shareholder should agree. They can delist. Voluntary delisting. Delisting can happen. Dividends, not mandatory, not mandatory. No dividends on debenture because debenture will get interest. Here it is no. So let me divide now. See over here, primary market, and then you have the secondary market. Primary market is the market of IPO. Company will try to raise the funds. When company will try to raise the funds over there, company will also contract to the investment banking, different business teams, business processes over here. Okay, merchant bankers, people who will manage the IPO process and manage the funds also. Funding because different people will subscribe to the IPO. How to manage the funds? Money has to flow. Underwriting units. Underwriting. See who will secure the IPO. Investment banking companies can tell See, if we have a life risk, we will take life insurance, car risk, car insurance. Like that, it is a risk now. You are telling now how companies are raising the fund. Suppose company will tell, I want to raise 5,000 crore. How they will raise? They will have the investment banking companies approach to the underwriting divisions. They will charge some fees. They will tell, we will do the market making activities for you. We will take a fees. We will secure the IPO. 2 3 days is it is more than enough for you. Okay, we will try to create a demand for your IPO. If we are not able to create some fake alert is coming up. Yes. Okay, we will take a break for 5 10 minutes, then we will start. Okay. Yeah. Wait, wait. Students will come then. एक स्टूडेंट आएगा उसके बाद ले लो. ठीक है, we can start actually. Okay, so there, so here actually we were here. So here they will contact. Okay, so they will do the private placements. So here they will tell that we will secure your process. If we are not able to secure, or if we are not able to raise the funds, we will do the private placements, and later we can do the OMO of the shares, open market operations, which they will tell that we can do later part. Thank you.
Merchants, bankers do that.
Underwriting divisions. Where they will take this security of their IPO process. There they will tell. See, MB over here, they will manage the IPO process. Okay. Security safety will be given by the underwriting divisions. Huh? Divisions over here. And then we have what process? Equity research process. They can also go to the equity research teams, which will do the valuation of the IPO. See, IPO valuation is very, very important. See, it is important for the company also. Like that, they cannot charge the price which they want. Demand will reduce. See, here they have to give the best price because they are offering something discount, actually discounted price they have to offer. Best price they have to quote over there. Okay, see, IPO market is an important market because here they have to manage the demand. And if they will quote higher price, demand can go down. Second thing is that when the share it is getting listed on the secondary place market as such, important point to be noted, on the day of listing, shares can be listed on premium price or discounted price. Okay. Many IPOs have failed because their pricing was very, very, more. When the price is more, secondary market, the IPO process can fail. Okay. No company wants the shares on the day of listing, price should go down actually. Okay. They want premium price only. Premium price we can decide from the bracket price, lower price bracket, upper price bracket. It should, list on the premium price bracket actually. So here we have the equity research team over here, which will help. Okay, now I will go to the IPO process sheet. This sheet actually, if you will see, it is also saved in your share drive folder.
Okay.
Model IPO timeline sheet actually. See the the firm is there, company is there. Company will decide. Suppose the company will tell, I will start my IPO process today. See, today is 2nd of May. Suppose actually today, so it is Saturday. I'm just taking some random, date. Calculate over there when the company can get listed. 2nd of May, company is deciding IPO process should start. Company can get listed on August 12th. 3-4 months actually it will take if company will follow all compliances. But yes, company has to keep everything. It is in record cloud actually. In Excel they have to maintain. Okay. See, on the date wise date, they will select their activities that they have to do and who is going to perform that particular task. Okay. Here and there, task and activities they can, shuffle actually. They can also mention that 10 activities will be done within this to this bracket, 2nd of May to 10th of May. This also they can decide. Okay. But every date will be having the task to perform. You will see 2nd of May, they will conduct some meeting. Okay, select printers. So like that they will decide their task and activities over there. Vice versa also you can do over here. Okay, suppose the company listed today. It means might be the company has started its work in January, in the month of Jan actually. May 2nd if it is get listed. Okay, May of Jan. So this sheet you can save and your micro should be enabled. Micro should be enabled in your laptop. See here when the H company will decide, okay, let us come with the IPO process. Okay, there they have to form a department. Okay, H company will tell, I will come with the IPO process. Registrar of shares. This department they have to form to solve the issues, grievances of their clients. Okay, clients to it means shareholders only. Okay, so suppose you are standing over here and then you have purchased the equity share of that particular company and you have not received the dividends actually. Okay, so suppose if you have not received, and it should come in the form of cash in your account. Dividend should come in the form of cash in your accounts and you have not received actually. Then you can complain. Complain to whom? Complain to your stockbroker, complain to the register of shares of that particular company, complain to exchanges. Like that you can follow the protocols over here actually. In rare to rare cases which you are asking, that suppose if I have complained on exchange also, then where you can go? SEBI also you can go actually. Next level, suppose you are not believing on SEBI, now where you can go? Finance minister. See, in India you can approach any department. Okay, but they should answer. Nowadays people, if they have any issue, they are also going in Twitter and they are tagging that particular department also. Okay, so you can complain to PM also if you want. No one can stop you, but you have to follow the protocol actually. Okay, so suppose if you're going to PM, first of all, they will not answer only for these queries, but you can, है ना, they will not entertain only. Suppose by mistake, if they are entertaining also, they will tell boss, you go to exchanges, to that particular company exchanges, to your stockbroker. We are not the right person actually. Okay, so you will follow the procedure actually. Okay, timeline of the sheets. Okay, underwriters portfolio management. So see here we have different type of funds. Even you will work with different type of funds, mutual funds. Okay, mutual funds who will collect money actually, collect money from their clients, and they have a NAV. That is, they will tell the net asset value. Mhm. Okay, they will sell the NAV and they will allot the price per unit. Okay, whatever fund they will come, they will from the PMS division, portfolio management service division.
It means they are raising the fund for a particular IPO.
No, no. See here, these are different type of businesses. Mutual funds. I'm not talking about IPO process. That is, I'm talking about a company standpoint of view where they want to collect the funds. Now I'm talking about the mutual funds. Mutual fund, it means they will collect the money from their clients, and they will manage their funds. Okay. Company, it means you are an individual company. You want to collect the funds. Suppose I am a company, mutual fund company, and I will approach to both of you. I will tell, I have a mutual fund company. I will manage your funds. Okay. And I will give you the returns. Company is raising the funds. Company is not telling you we will give the returns. You are investing in their business. Okay. And here you are giving the funds to the companies to manage your funds. Difference it is there. Okay. Mutual funds. So they will form the PMS division over here, which will be managed by the investment manager, which will be managed by the investment manager, fund manager, you can tell portfolio manager also, you can tell any of the manager, you can tell. They will manage and they will try to generate the returns. They will try to generate the returns via how? Via doing the allocation of capital in how? Different asset classes. Don't worry, we will learn in detail actually, okay? These topics will be keep coming. Just for reference, actually, I'm telling right now. Then we have different type of participants over here. So I have told you that you should open your demat accounts. Suppose you are standing over here, you will approach to whom? You will approach to your stockbroker, and you will tell your stockbroker to open your demat account. Your stockbroker will open your two type of accounts. Okay, one is the intraday trading account. One is the trading account. Okay, trading account they will open to do the intraday trading, because you can buy and sell on daily basis. Market will open at 9:15 a.m. till between 3:30 p.m. You can buy and sell. So broker will open your trading account. Suppose you don't want to buy, you want to hold, then broker will open also your demat account, digital account. Okay, digital depository account in any of the depository, either CDSL, either NSD. Hmm. This is called Central Depository Securities Limited, National Depository Securities Limited. In either of the one, see both are listed companies. Previously only CDSL was listed. Now both are the listed companies in any of the depository. See, people who will buy and sell on daily basis, we can tell them speculators, because they are doing the speculations. Okay, people who will buy and hold, we can tell them the investors. Broker can also open your custodian account. Broker can also open your custodian account, like it too, which will act as the watchdog of your securities. Okay, watchdog of your securities. Whenever you will buy and sell, okay, you know the fund will be settled, and it will affect two things: assets and cash. Definitely, it will asset and cash. It will affect. So they will do the reconciliation of your assets and cash. Okay, custodian account. Previously, whenever you were opening your account, you were also signing the POA, depository. I will just show you the deposit DDPA, power of attorney. But nowadays it is optional. GDP and POA are optional and should not be insisted on for opening the account. Now you are not signing power of attorney. Previously, whenever you were opening the account, power of attorney you were signing, you were giving the legal rights to your depositors. It means if they want to take any money from you, recover any money, they can sell your holdings. But now it is optional. It means if you want to sell, OTP will come on your mobile, whichever mobile number you will enroll, on that mobile number, OTP will come. OTP you will place, and then you can sell your shares. Okay, so now it is optional. It is not mandatory. You should be aware of this thing. Then we have a jobbers over here. Okay, then we have a jobbers over here. Jobbers buy and sell. Jobbers over here, you will see buy and sell for a quick profits on the same exchanges. Quantity. See, quantity should be large. Quantity is large. 50 paisa, 10 paisa. Very, very large actually. Quantity. You will see over here. Okay. Arbitrage. Arbitrage people buying and selling for a quick profit on the different exchanges. Okay. Even you can see. Okay. The price difference actually on the different exchanges to take the.
The share which has been taken on the NSE could be sold on the NSE only.
See, for FIAs, see, I will tell you. Arbitrage, whenever you are talking about actually, don't take on the NSE and BSE, global exchanges. Take back on the global exchanges for the global market players actually. Okay. Gold is traded on India exchange also and in foreign exchange also. They can take the reverse position. They can buy here, they can sell there. What are these companies are doing over there? Playing on the margin because the market is opening on different time zones over here. Okay, and price which can be more over here, it can be less over here at that point of time. Pricing difference actually. Okay, and whatever retail windows you are getting over there, don't compare with your retail windows when the FIs are trading into. Their trading terminal, trading videos will be different actually. Okay, in that sense, arbitrage. Arbitrage can also be done with the cash market and with the futures markets actually. They can buy on cash market and then they can take a reverse position on futures market, or they can hold positions on the cash market and they can sell the reverse position on the futures market also, and options also they can do over there. Okay, different exchanges they can do over here, and they can take that the price difference, and they will exploit exploiting the prices. Most of the FIs will work on exploiting the prices. Okay, it happens most of the time actually. Might be you guys are not aware because all the time you're not active. But here when we handle the HNI clients, many times you will see a glitch in the BSC exchange. I don't know whether you are aware of this thing or not. Sometimes the BSC exchange will show 10% less price.
Is it
Huh,
10%?
it can happen. It has happened actually with most of the ETFs actually. It is happening with us.
Okay.
Fraction actually, 5 second it will correct. Okay, human cannot catch. Robots can catch. Okay, or if you have done a coding, it can catch actually. If there is any price difference, buy. We have also done multiple times. Nifty Bees was trading 8% less in BSC exchange just 2 months before actually. You can buy n number of quantity. Okay. That point time, if you will buy na, the price will correct in fraction of time. Sometime it will not correct. Second day you can sell on NSE exchange na. If the price is not, but it will correct in 8 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes of time it will correct. It will show the correct price actually. Technical glitch. But when you have a technical glitch na, when you are buying, they will consider that price only. They will not tell we were having tech glitch. If you have bought on that period of time, we will not consider your buy. We have also done multiple times. Okay, these are the opportunities which is not visible on the naked eyes. If you will sit into the market now, fraction of second actually, and so many stocks are there you cannot. FIs actually. Foreign institutional investors. DIs. Okay, you see domestic institutional investors. They are also coming. See, foreign it means investment banking companies which will come. Okay. See, for the RA team also, na, day in, day out, you will be working with these funds houses actually.
Mhm.
Okay, when you will join working with these funds houses, domestic foreign institutions like JP Morgan, Chase Bank, Morgan Stanley, domestic institution investor like LIC. Okay, you can take Access Mutual Funds, SBI Mutual Funds. They are also coming and they are also buying and selling. I can show you. Go to check me quick links. FIs, FPIs. Okay, you will see the 30th of April, I think, because market was open. Yesterday market was closed
Mm.
because of the Labor Day. Okay, so DIS has what? FIs has sold. Daily they will, upload the buying and selling over here. Market will close at 3:30 p.m. now. Till 8 p.m. the data will be here live.
Mm.
Settlement process actually. Very, very important. See, whatever you will learn over here now, it can be covered into this process. Front office, middle office, back office. Suppose you will work with it into the equity research team, it means you will sit into the front office. But don't think when you are sitting with the front office, you will not interact with the middle office and with the back office. All offices are interacting with each other because some issues will come. Okay, if you are working in a company, you have to interact with so many people, manager, leader, HR,
Mm.
CEO. Sometimes you will have a town hall meeting actually. So many people you will interact with your colleagues actually. New colleagues will come. System protocols actually. Okay, so here also whichever team you will work, you have to interact with all kind of offices. Okay, front office, middle office, back office. See, trade, you should understand the trade part. Trade will initiate from here, from the front office. Then trade will be cross-checked with the middle office, and the recon settlement will be happen over here. To make you understand this thing, we can see one slide actually, okay? We can see one slide. Suppose you are going to a DMart. Now you see your process. You are going to Reliance Fresh or DMart. You will buy 50 items. Then you will go to the billing counter. Billing counter will scan all your items because every item will be having a tag. So when they will scan all your items, what they can see? They can see all details, quantity, offer, discount, you know, everything they will see. Expiry date, manufacturing date, everything they will see, quantity, price, offers, everything they will see over here. And then they will see your bills and they will see all items price, they will generate the bill. They will give you the bill, you will pay, then you will go and take the items. See, this why I explained this is called settlement process. Before settlement has happened, settlement it means you are taking the item and then you are paying settlement. It is cross-checked. Cross-checked by scan code. See here also you see a kind of trade which is flowing over here, okay? Because you will buy into the front office, then once you will buy, it has to be cross-checked into the middle office, and then it will be settled down. See, when you are talking about settle down, it means what? Settlement, either you can buy or sell. Suppose you are buying, fund has to pay out. You have to pay funds payout. It means you will pay and shares will come in your demat account. If you are selling, then what? Shares will go and funds paying settlement of shares and funds. So before it will settle down, before the shares and funds will settle down, it will be cross-checked over here. How? ISN, QCB and schedule. So whenever you are learning about the capital market, you should be learning about three markets: Indian markets, American markets, London markets. Okay, London markets you will learn, things will be done. In the beginning, if you will learn about the Indian markets only, that is also fine. But we want you to learn three markets. ISIN, QCP and CDOL. Whenever we are trading on a securities which is based on the Asian markets, then securities will be attached with the ISIN. Okay, suppose I will just tell you, just go to NSE exchange, give me any shares, name of any company.
TCS itself.
TCS. TCS, okay. See TCS, bracket is what? ISIN. So if you will see TCS or any other company into NASDAQ, then you will find QSIP. We'll take QSIP, okay. International Securities, okay, IN numbers. Then you have QSIP over here, COUSP committee numbers, and then CDOL. Okay, just you see the full form actually of every ISIN, QSIP and CDOL. Okay, then used actually it is used in which markets actually? ISIN, QSIP and CDOL. ISIN it is used for the Asian markets. It means now I'm talking about the Indian markets, China, Singapore, like that Asian markets. QSIP is North American, USA markets. CDOL actually talking about the London Stock Exchange list. Now you see the features of the ISIN actually. Now you see the features of the ISIN which I was showing you over there. Chalo, TCS you told. TCS ISIN features we can just check how the ISIN stands for. See IN in the beginning it means now I'm talking about the country code. IN is the country code. See now you see alphabets and numbers actually. Okay, so it is what actually? Alphanumeric number. Hmm. Okay, now you see the large digits actually. Security check digits over there. Characters 12 alpha numeric characters. Okay, now QSIP actually 9 alphanumeric characters. CDOL is 7 characters. Identification code. Okay, country code. First character is the country code. QSIP does not have the country code. First 6 characters are the alphanumeric code. Okay, this is important. Security. Okay, these tools are important over. Okay, see, understand this thing actually. How to identify the securities. How to identify the securities. Okay, and how to check whether the trade is genuine or fake. Okay, so it is having two things over here where you can identify the securities and where you can also check the check digits actually, which every asset QCP schedule it is having actually. Last actually, whenever you are trading, shares has to be settled down and funds has to be either debit or credit will happen over here. Okay, they cannot settle the securities without cross checking these things. Okay, so it is a mandate actually for them to do. Okay, how it is left is fine.
Usually takes 1 to 2 days.
Now you can also see over there, yes. Uh, Infrastructure wise, we can just see trading and settlement at NSE, automated screen based trading system, need system actually. Okay, so for this, I can log into the broker portal. I will just go to my broker portal, will try to log in. Okay, OTP will come. OTP, okay, it came 267127. Check digits, it will ask. Now I am there into my broker portal. So see, this is what need system actually. Okay, automated skin based trading system. We have an automated skin based trading system in which we can log in and we can trade. Okay, need system, fully automated screen-based trading system. See, need was a software which was designed with the help of the TCS. Okay, adopts the principle of order-driven market. Just 1 minute. Hello. Okay, so this is actually automated trading order-driven market. Okay, see the market it is deriving principle. Okay, principle of order-driven. Nobody can drive the market. Only order. Only order can drive the market. People will put the order, place the order, and then they will, adopt. They will drive the market. NSECL, National Securities Clearing Corporation Limited, subsidiary of what? National Stock Exchange. Okay, which will operate on behalf of the clearing members. It will check all fake and false papers actually, stolen certificates through the automated mechanism actually. Also, it will check. Okay, and you see T plus 2 days it will take to settle down securities, and T plus 1 days also it can take based on action. But T plus one only it is see trade date. T plus it means trade date. Okay, it will settle down in T trade date plus 1 day. On the day in which you are trading plus 1 day it will take to the STP. Now STP route we are following. State to processing route actually. Okay. Front office, middle office, back office. All is automated now actually. Don't think when you are placing a trade over there, then somebody will approve your trade. No. Automation, order ID will be generated, order will be executed, trade will flow over there. Okay.
So when intraday we see so many trades are happening in all the stocks, it's all automatic happening.
See, you are placing the order either manual or either robot. Suppose you will place a manual order, okay, and you will go over there into that, place the order. Okay. See, it is telling insufficient fund. This is called the RMS system of the broker. Nobody has came and checked and told you that you do not have a fund. All automated.
No,
You are saying?
simply I just wanted to understand. So many shares are there, and every day so much trades are happening.
How happening?
All are automatic.
See,
Who's checking the
different.
pricing, who's pushing the orders.
See, everything I will tell you. See, in whenever you're telling so many trades are happening. Now this you're telling so many trades are happening. It is also different type of processes.
No,
When you're telling the trade it is happening.
FIA and daily.
Hmm.
They are trading point traders, the real traders there. The small traders who are pushing manually. What they are doing, what process they are following.
See, they will trade via Python coding. Okay, you see over here. Uh, okay, so they will do a Python coding over there. Okay, I will show you some project actually which is built by our students. Okay, I will just bring that project next time. Okay, so there are Python coding that you can do. Python trading, you can automate your trades. Okay, so once you will do a Python coding, you can do the HNA tradings over there. Okay, you can create your bot, take the price, and then you can initiate the order over there. Okay, so see, that is the initiation part actually. Initiation can be happen manually, or it can also be happen via Python code trading. Python trading, you can do Python coding, or you can do C++ Java coding, and then you can initiate the trades. Okay, that you have to take the API from your stockbroker. Stockbroker will give you the API so that you will connect with your stockbroker. Okay, see here you are coming manually. When you will do the coding, then there is a Python coding that is applied over there. Okay, you will just open your project, place the order from there. But I am talking about when you are placing the order. Suppose you will place the order. Okay, nobody will approve your order and then it will be getting placed. There are pre-built logics. Okay, once you are once you will process all those logic in a refined way, then your trade is getting pushed automatically. So that part we are talking about. Initiation, you are talking about the initiation. Initiation can be happen in any of the ways. Okay. Apart from this, inside also there are shuffling of the prices which is happening or the market making activities are happening. Okay, they will give liquid funds to the markets. So front office, middle office, back office. Okay, everything is automated over here. What is the advantage over here? Okay, advantages of the STP, reduce risk. See, now when I will come over there, I will buy and sell. Risk is on my head.
Mm.
Broker is not in between. Risk, it is on my head because I am initiating the trades on my account. Previously, I still remember that era. Whenever I was wanting to initiate the trade, I was talking to my stockbroker. Buy, sell, buy, sell. He can do the mistake over there, and then I will blame my stockbroker. Okay, because you have done the trading and some issue happens. So risk, it is on my head. Automation of manual process, minimizing errors. Whenever you will automate the process now, you will minimize errors. Even I will tell you, when you will work with the research team, though we will teach you the manual way. Ratios you will check. But
Mhm.
every time you cannot work on the ratios on manual way. There are automated tools also. Suppose if you want to check the balance sheet of any company, rather you will read it actually. You have a balance sheet. You can use the AI. You can put your data. He will analyze actually.
Mm.
Okay, this is also the possibility. Now the world has changed. Now you have to change. You can read for your knowledge. But suppose if you have to check 50 companies, then you will read every company. If one company balance sheet will take 10 hours, then how many hours you will spend? So rather you can use Copilot, either you can use the Chat GPT. You feed the data on them.
Mm.
Chat GPT, you feed the data and then it will analyze for you. Okay, so AI you have to use in that way. So automation, you are automating your work
Mhm.
and you will minimize your errors. When you will automate your work, you will minimize the errors actually. Greater transparency and clear audit trails actually. When I will log in over here, it will also capture my IP address. So I cannot blame the stockbroker if any trade is placed on my account because you saw I was just coming to my account, it was giving me the OTP. Okay, then I was tapping my PIN actually over there and then I was going into the increase competitive advantage. See, now we are competitive because we are having a great IT infrastructure, eliminating paperwork, minimizing manual intervention. See, two ways you see over here. Eliminating paperwork. You will initiate the trade. Previously, the broker was sending the contract note. Contract note was, coming into the physical form 15 days, 3 weeks it will take. If you want a physical copy, you have to sit with the stockbroker. He will, take the fax. It will fax it will take so much of time. You have to sit for 2, 3 hours with the broker premises. Now, do you need to sit? Contact note will come in your mail ID only. Even when you will work with the research team now, you will see, Bhaskar, that previously you were, because you have to prepare questionnaire over there. Because when you're doing a research now, you will prepare some questionnaire and you will sit in the front of the founders of that company. You will ask certain questions from them. Do you think this is the process that you will follow now? You will, nobody will entertain
Mm.
because you also have to manage that paper also. If you will lose that paper, now what you will be, you will prepare Google form. You will pass that Google form to the founders of that company. You will tell you fill the Google form actually. So, and you can tell whatever answer you will fill, you will also get a copy on your mail ID, and you will also have a record on cloud. You see how world is changing actually. Okay, world is changing. Enable increasing enables increased cross-border trading actually. FIs, DIs, which is coming, which you are seeing now, they are trading. Okay, trading in bulk,
Mm.
improved operation efficiency in handling large volumes. Apps, mobile apps we have over here, large volumes. Okay, so now you see actually. Okay, see now NISM has not introduced AI, but I will tell you soon they will change the syllabus. Before they are changing now, you clear those exams now. Okay, clear exams. But when you will become the RA or whenever you will become IB, you can use AI in your work also. Okay, so 3 months. We are expecting next year they can introduce AI some models.
Mm.
Okay, facilitates movements towards shorter settlement cycle, T plus 1 day, timely settlement. Your trades, suppose you are selling now and you are getting money after 1 month of time, then I need money now. Why you are giving after 30 days of time? Previously it was acceptable 15 years before, then reduced to 15 days, then 7 days. Now, 2 days. Now we are talking about 1 day. Some people are telling same days, they are testing. Same day you will settle. settled your funds and equity shares. Lower cost per trade. Previously, we were going to the stockbroker office. Whenever we will go, we will see electricity charge. You will go to the office, coffee, tea. Expenses will be there on the heads of the stockbroker. Now, I didn't see where is the office of stock. I never visited. All online. That's why you will see. Broker charges are very, very less nowadays. Okay. An RMS system actually, which I will explain you. Risk management system. So you see the RMS system. Suppose you are standing over here, you will try to place the order. Place the order where? On the portal of the exchanges. So once you will place the order should be filtered. Okay, what type of filters are applied over there? Once you are placing the order, it will check market is open or close. You are seeing now, when I was trying to place the order, the first filter it is putting you not have the sufficient funds. Add funds. Now you add funds. Once you will add fund, then it will try to you to place the order over there. So it will tell market is open or closed. So now when the market is closed, actually, you will see you can place the OM order, AM order, after market order. Previously, it was not giving AMO order also. It was simply rejecting the order. Now it will push the order to AM order. So AM order is the market order. It means Monday when the market will open, your order will get placed. But before order will get placed, it will check second thing, sufficient funds or not. Okay, that will check quantity, price. So you cannot behave the way you want here. You cannot tell I will buy 10 lakh shares tomorrow into the live market. Some brokers are having a limitations on their portal. They cannot handle large volumes. Previously, Upstock was telling, you know what, 50,000, more than 50,000 quantity you cannot buy. Now, if you will place 10 lakhs quantity, na, they will put into 10 tranches. 1 lakh into 10 tranches. 1 lakh into 10 different orders they will place. Price you see actually. See every share, equity share, suppose you will see the Reliance stock now. It is having a lower circuit and upper circuit. You try to learn in this way. Try to learn in this way. See stock prices over here, okay? Stock prices moving, but they have a bracket in which they can move on any particular day. There will be upper circuit, there will be lower circuit. Upper circuit, lower circuit. It means if they will reach to some level on one particular day, the trading should freeze. You want to take a walk and then come, Bhaskar?
It's okay.
Feeling sleepy?
Okay.
You can take a walk and come.
It's okay. Let's
Huh?
continue.
You'll continue? Okay. See upper circuit and lower circuit. Okay. So when it will hit the upper circuit, then the trading should freeze. If it will hit the lower circuit, trading should freeze. On that particular day, price cannot, move up or high over there actually. Okay, the trading will freeze. So you see actually, see Reliance over there. So I will just go to my. Okay, I will just go to over here. Okay, just check. Reliance price. Current price of Reliance is 1430. 1430. Lower circuit 1287. Upper circuit 1573. 9 percentage. See, on any one particular day, if the stock will reach to lower circuit, 10% down or 10% up, the trading will freeze for that particular day or for till the next day. See why the trading is freezed? Because sometimes people are acting in emotions.
Mm.
They are simply buying, simply selling, not aware. Most or 90% of people are not aware. They will buy and sell actually. Okay. That point time they will tell you think in a logical way and then start your trading activities again. So we are freezing the trading on that particular day. They will control the price. You were telling now, can they control the price? In
Mm.
this way, they can manage a risk management system under their risk management activity. In this way, they can, but they cannot, tell that we will decide the price.
No,
Okay.
exchange cannot. Only
They,
exchange is
they
going to
can,
control this.
yeah, they can only freeze for certain particular point of time. Okay, every day they cannot tell now today also freeze. If it is reaching beyond to that level where they have prescribed for, and every day it will change. Upper circuit and lower circuit will change over there. Okay, sorry, upper circuit. Huh? Suppose if I will try to place a order in Reliance, so two type of order which I can place. Market order, it means whatever is the price into the market I will buy, or limit order. Suppose I will tell the limit order 1600. Now you tell, see RM system limit price cannot be greater than the upper circuit price. Suppose if I will tell 1200, cannot be less than the lower circuit price. Got a pen, right? Upper circuit and lower circuit. Now, what we have learned in today's session, which we will conclude. See, Edge company or those company, they were wanting to raise the funds. They came to the capital market, and in that between, they have also contributed to a different business units. IB companies. Okay, here we can also tell the equity research processes where they have contributed to them. Shares have got listed. NSE and BSE exchange trading is started via stockbroker. People have came, participants have came to participate into the market. Okay, in that between, broker has also opened your depository account. See, all business units are interrelated. Every business unit which is getting the business because the Dose company was wanting to raise the funds, they are getting business. IB companies, you know, research units, NSE exchange, stockbroker, every business units you will see they are getting the business actually because of the fundraising activity. Whenever the business of the companies will increase, what they will do, because alone one person cannot do work,
Mm.
they will hire employees, employment opportunity will increase. People who are coming under the tax bracket, what they will do, pay tax. Company which is getting the business, they will also pay their tax. Tax will go to whom actually? Government. Government of that particular country in India. Suppose when the government of India is getting a tax, GST, whether GST remorse, where their income is increasing, what the government will do? Repairing roads, healthcare facility, infrastructure facility, bullet trains. Now it is coming metros. When all these things will improve in any one particular country or in one particular city, what will happen? FIs will come. Why investment banking companies are coming in Bangalore? Why they are not going to any village actually? All these issues. Okay. So infrastructure will improve. FPI, foreign portfolio investments will also improve. This is all you will see over the activities which is interrelated significance which I have told you. Okay. Okay, this time we have. I think for today, okay, for today, whatever we decided, we completed. Any doubts which you want to ask, which you want to learn, any your questions? So I'm happy to answer all your questions and all your doubts. Okay, and to inform you, see, HSR layout center na, I have got a center in which Indian students are also coming. Okay, this I was not aware. Even it is a new news for me. Two centers that we have over here, two teaching centers. Two centers are for NI, as I have told you. One center I've got for Indian. Okay, I will also try to, if I will get a chance over there, we'll ask from the HR. We'll try to post you. Okay, for the next sessions in that also. Okay,
Sure.
that we can plan it out. So yes, any doubts?
So for RA, we have to go module by module, right?
Module by module. First, we will try to create the basics,
Hmm.
technical things. Module by module will come. Whatever you have learned, it is all covered in your various modules. Securities, equities, derivatives, debentures will also come. All things you will find over there. Okay, ratios when we will start, then we will go deeper into the subject. If we discuss things, we will cannot start right now, but as we can only start on little by little only. So the second thing is that, see, the first thing is that you follow the protocol over here. Okay, follow classes, coming for the classes, then completing your assignments. Watch the recordings. Recordings will share within 48 hours, but the supporting ones I will share.
Mhm.
Okay, so they will pick up, they will create the video, save in your drive. Okay, you complete the questions, assignments. Okay, on time. See, there is a catch up for IB course. We are not forcing NISM certification, but yes, if you will do, it is good for you only. RA course, see, they are changing the syllabus actually. Okay, so if syllabus is getting changed, okay, again you have to relearn. But more things they are not changing. But whenever the RA students are joining, FA students are joining, we are telling them to complete course to complete in 3 to 4 months of time, including your exam also. Okay, so third month you target that you should apply for the exam of RA. But before that, you have so many things now. Attending classes, assignments, mock test actually. So many things you have to complete. Okay, so going with the pace of the classes are important. Otherwise, we lose the interest only in the syllabus. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Nothing else actually. So easy, you go in a very easy mode, easy way, and don't keep burden of assignments on your head, because if you will not complete, then next week batch 2 is also pending on you. Batch 1, batch 2, then you will see so many things are pending, or you will, so this week only you complete. Okay, if you are seeing some topics are not covered in batch 1, leave actually. Because anyhow, when we will complete session, then topics, because we are writing category of the question. So if you are seeing some category it is not covered in this class, leave actually. But for that particular, don't tell I have not done any other questions. If you have doubt also, don't stick to that doubt. Complete other things. Complete other things. Come with your doubts. We will discuss in the next session. No need to worry. Okay. Any other doubts?
Not now. It's the first.
No. So it is.